This is Colton. He's gonna learn how to ride a quad
You're
today.
gonna film this? How gay can you get? I'm not gonna crash or anything.
Okay. So here's the brake. This one locks up the rear tires.
Locks.
Stops them.
Okay.
And then there's the front brake over here.
So
that one.
Which one do I
the
use?
Front ones. You always use the back brake since you're new.
Okay.
And to turn it on, just and then there's your throttle.
That goes.
Throttle.
You hold it?
No. And then you pull the brake and you push that little gray button that says start. Okay.
And then
starts up.
give a gas.
No. That's bad for it.
Oh.
Now to shift up. Now look at me. There's this lever here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shift you up into the first gear.
Okay.
Now you're in first.
Yeah.
When it revs up, you gotta shift up again. But let off the gas and then shift.
Let off. So give a gas. Let off. Shift. Give more gas.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Just ride. And then if you need to slow down, you shift down.
Okay.
But use the brake.
Use the brake.
Yeah. Okay. So now give it some throttle.
Just slowly.
You can give as much as you're comfortable with. He's really gonna crash on my quad. Shift up! Go faster or something. Oh shit. Oh shit. Are you okay? Are you okay? I told you. Are you okay?
Oh, dude. Oh, sting now. Oh, dude. Ow.
Oh, dude.
Ow.
Man. Your butt.
Ow.
Stop being a baby.
What the hell is this shit? That's not like... Yeah, I don't know this stuff. Ow, how do you back up?
Oh, crap. You might want me to do that.
Oh, yeah. Ow. Oh, did you get that? Ow, my hair.
Come on.
Ow. Ow. Oh, shit.
Here, hold on.
Oh,
It's on.
oh, oh, I didn't, oh, it's still, oh, oh, ow, oh, what a loser, oh, I got slivers, oh, whoops.